how to change App Store country or region from China to another country. So let's get started. First thing first, open the App Store on your mobile device. And now inside the App Store, simply tap on the profile icon available in the top right corner of your screen. Then simply tap on your name on the top. After that, it will take some time to load. You might be prompted to enter your mobile passcode or Face ID. After that, you will get to see country/region option available there. Tap on it. Now, all you have to do is tap on the change country or region option available on your screen. It might take some time. After you tap on it, you will get to see long list of countries option available there. Scroll down and look for the country you prefer and simply tap on it again. After you tap on it, you will be navigated to accept the terms and conditions of the App Store. Now, all you have to do is enter the payment option if you want to add your credit card. If not, then simply tap on the none option available there and enter your personal information of your addresses. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.